Alright, so here's a super easy way to determine if you have rod knock without tearing the engine apart. This is a Subaru EJ257, the Legacy GT, and this is a turbo engine, but they love spinning rod bearings. They love it. I don't know what's with these engines here, but this is what I do. Without even tearing the motor apart, is I will take a breaker bar. Make sure your breaker bar is kind of tight too. You know, at the end, there's like an Allen that you can twist and turn to make it tight, so it's not so sloppy. And then I put that on the main crank pulley right there, and I rock it back and forth like this. Check it out. Hear that? That's coming directly from in the oil pan. So I know it's a rod bearing, 100%. Now I can proceed with tearing the engine apart, you know, without wondering whether or not it was something else, and it's all a waste of time. I hope this helps. Another way is guys will take out their spark plug and they'll put a screwdriver in there, and then they'll wiggle back and forth on the crankshaft and see, you know, if there's knocking, or if the screwdriver doesn't move right away. You know, you'll feel it kind of. But this is the most telltale way. Another way with these Subarus anyways is you can drop the oil pan and you can see literally right underneath the oil pan and a couple of covers there is the big end bearings where the rods connect to the crankshaft, and all I have to do is push that with my finger, the big end of the rod, and the rod will bounce back and forth. Literally, it'll be real sloppy. You know, you can make it clunk with your finger. So hopefully this helps. This is my ghetto rigged engine that I'm gonna pull out again. Yay!